I get it right back. She put it all on me, I couldn't fight that. She love when I but only when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get a body that I can sidetrack. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who the part of your horny, right on.
Okay, so this is the vlog. Yeah. Hi. I'm not sure when y'all are going to see this, but I can definitely see the brown in my hair. We're about to go bowling, so we're getting ready for that. Okay, y'all. So we at the bowling alley. It's a little loud in here.
You said what?
I said it's a little loud in here. Oh.
That's the whole song?
Let's hold it like this.
Cake ass nigga. Yeah. Yeah, man. Belt the ass. You know what happens to her every time she bowls against me?
I win.
About to put him to rest, man. Pause. Put him to rest.
Oh, I was trying to get like a...
My chucks.
Say hey.
That's all I want. That's all I...
So it's the next day. We just went to the hair store to get some stuff. Can you guess what I'm about to do?
Time cutie. Lazy groovy. Hey, Kobe Bryant.
Okay, so we just got matcha. He's trying matcha for the first time.
Let's go see the bathroom.
And what do you rate it out of 10?
6.8. 7. 6.8.
What to do his hair.
Yo, didn't want me to go to the store. You want some?
We're watching this Christmas.
Yo, bust down.
Hair by me. That's the finishing look. And we're about to get dressed. Well, he's about to get a haircut. I'm about to do my makeup.
Feels like you dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. All the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like I get you. And I swear it's baby. Feels like I get you. Will you ever know you don't know my name? And when we're making love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like I get you. And I swear it's baby.
Okay, so makeup is done. He's still getting his hair cut, so I'm about to start taking down my hair and get dressed. Okay, so we're here at Picture.
And the first now.
Yeah. Wait.
COVID.
Yeah, let's try upstairs.
Y'all can do
But
yours
their
upstairs.
PJs
Match this.
too.
Yeah, yeah. You sure did.
So I just could not stay.
Yeah. I'm like,
Y'all, the pictures are going great. I accidentally cut the camera off, but we're about to go upstairs and take some more. So I'm gonna include those in the video.
Like straight, just like that. Yeah. Like this.
Oh, you're like fake.
Alright, yeah, so you're there. So, and then try to take your leg all the way up.
Like this or this leg?
Yeah, that one. That's here. And point it. Perfect. Yes, I don't know why this Bella don't put up with me. She don't like nobody. She wanted a nice dog. Turn like that on. Hold on. Put your leg up. Hold on. Alright. Ready. 1.
Hold up.
Okay, so we're all done with the pictures. Yeah, my crow felt mad at it, but it's okay. I'm gonna put the pictures in here somewhere. Okay. Fresh retwist, fresh cut. Oh.
There's a little something. I saw my couple times. You're gonna read it out loud. Okay. Dear Director Stephanie, I just want to take a moment to thank you for all the hard work, time, and energy you pour into EYSA. Your dedication shows in everything you do, from organizing practices and cheer competitions to motivating the girls to always give their best. You go above and beyond to make sure every cheerleader feels confident, supported, and proud of their work. And that means so much. Your passion for the team and your commitment to making EYSA stronger each season never goes unnoticed. The way you lead, encourage, and uplift everyone around you truly makes a difference. Thank you for being such an inspiring coach and for always giving your all. We appreciate you more than words can say. Love, EYSA team. I have a hard time receiving anything. Y'all don't hate on my ego.
That is nice. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so it is not even the next day. It is like a week later, I want to say. It's a week later. I literally got sick right before Christmas. I'm still recovering, but I feel much better. Yeah. I've never been sick on Christmas before. Like, that was 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. But got up. This is the first time I got out the house since I've been not feeling good. And we went to church. Me and my friends, we went to church this morning. Service was really, really good. Last Sunday of 2025. I really wanted to make sure that I was in the house of the Lord on the last Sunday of the year. So I'm really glad that I got to go. Super happy about that. But yeah, I'm overall feeling better a little bit. Like, I still have like a lingering cough, but I know that's like the last thing to go. But yeah, I'm on the way to Kabuki now. We're about to get something to eat. And yeah, I just wanted to basically update y'all because I kind of just left the vlog like high and dry. I didn't say bye or anything like that. But that's gonna be it for this vlog. I know it's kind of short, but like I said, I got sick and we were supposed to go see Christmas lights, all that stuff, but I was just feeling like terrible, like absolutely terrible. But I'm so glad that I'm feeling much, much better now. thank Jesus that I'm feeling better now, because I don't wish that on anybody. But yeah, we're about to go eat, and the next vlog is my birthday, so yeah. But thank y'all for watching. I don't really have an outro yet, but I'm gonna work on that, because in 2026 is my content year, so I'm gonna work on the outro and everything. But thank y'all so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.